Fading lights along the shore. Another day, we close the door. Echoes whisper in the silent night. A fragile dream holding on tight. But in this quiet space I find a universe we left behind. Floating on a stardust stream, lost inside a waking dream. But memories ignite the blue, and every whisper leads to you. Across the tides, an open sky, beneath the stars we learn to fly. Though seasons change and stories fade, the promise in our hearts remains unmade. And in this quiet space I feel love profound, incredibly real. Floating on a stardust stream, lost inside a waking dream. When memories ignite the blue, and every whisper leads to you. Who do you least you? Fading light on window panes, memories like summer rains. Whispers of a time gone by, lost within a starlit sky. And I search for meaning in the haze, through these softly changing days. A fragile hope begins to bloom.